Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
I can't wait.
And today we have Bucked Up Big Game Energy Sour Gummy.
Sounds spooky when you say it that way.
Sounds like a gummy bear. Anyways, nice pixelated art on the can.
Not CBD gummies either.
I hope not. Ugh. Yeah. Anyways, weird stuff there. Anyways, let's look at the important factoids. Important factoids is no juice in the can, so that's interesting. We got ourselves 0 calories, very nice. 1 gram of carbohydrate. We got ourselves 0 sugar or 0 protein. We got ourselves 1470% of B6.
That sounds helpful.
That's very important, apparently. And also 200 micrograms of B12. Wow. And I'm trying to see if I can find the caffeine content in here.
Did it say if any gummy bears were harmed to make it this?
I would assume not, no. Let's see, 150 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Well, that's not too bad if we split it up.
Not bad at all. Really good. Let's get my cup out of the way. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, not too fizzy. Definitely ice cold though, which is nice. Ooh, kind of fresh.
It is cooler and
fresh smelling.
So that helps.
Wow.
What do you think?
I feel like I'm drinking straight syrup.
Yeah. It's like a liquid gummy
Wow.
bear going down.
It is like it's like a bunch of gummy bears melted.
Liquid
Wow.
gummy bear spirit.
That is powerful.
Yeah.
That's very in your face sour. Like that.
As soon as you smell it, it's just like, yeah, gummy bears.
It's a gummy bear.
It's a weird sensation.
Mm-hmm.
It's like gummy bears tickling your tongue.
Right. Man, that is something else. That is definitely not what I expected.
You gotta say it. There's not quite a taste like that.
That is one of a kind. Wow.
That kind of sticks to your tongue too.
And they really get the sour notes going there. So when they say sour, it is sour, but it is a sweet gummy at the same time.
It's a wacky flavor, but they really pulled it off.
Man, that is something else. Wow.
It kind of makes you suck on your tongue a little bit.
It does. It does. It makes you think that your tongue has become a candy to suck on. Wow.
I think that's what Jim Carrey must have been doing too.
That's
all those facial contortions he's been drinking before they ever came out. It was sour gum.
Yeah. It was this the whole time. Anyways, news. Anyways, that is a different flavor for what it is. I mean, 0 calories, and there's, according to it, there's no sugar.
Straight syrup.
Yeah, it's like that's impressive to get that taste off that way. So I would say that is for what it is, because it's definitely not in the mango citrusy realm.
Yeah.
It is in a plateau all to itself. That is definitely an SRT 392, because you need to try it to have your mind blown and your tongue feel like it has been turned into a gummy bear in your mouth.
It's like a Hulk gummy bear.
It is
crashed through a door to establish its own.
It is its own thing and needs to be tested. So if you want to test something you've never tried before, that's probably going to be something that you have never tried before. That is fascinating.
I don't think we need more sour gummy
flavors. More flavors? No, I don't think we need more flavors.
Incredible.
But it is fascinating. So, anyways, guys, that's it for us today. Make sure you check it out, because that's fascinating. Bye bye.